What is up, royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special video for you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing my stretch mark prevention routine. This is the routine that I've been doing my whole entire pregnancy, and it has really been working very well for me. I am just super stoked to show you guys my tips and tricks and the products that I use to prevent my little stretchy marks. Disclaimer, stretch marks are a part of the territory of being a mom. So if you do have them, just be proud of them and embrace them, because being a mommy did not come easy. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Before we start, I just want to let you guys know that when I do this routine, I'm usually in the shower, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to do it right here. It works the same exact way. So this is my shower routine, but let's pretend we're in the shower, okay? So this is what my belly looks like. For those of you who haven't seen my belly, I just want to show you that before we go ahead and get started. Okay, royals, so we're gonna start out with my first tip, and that is using a sugar scrub before you moisturize your belly. This one is from Walmart, but I ran out of it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some sugar and some olive oil. So I'm just gonna combine those. We're gonna just eyeball the olive oil, not too much and not too little. After we've poured that in, we're gonna go ahead and give that a really nice shake. And voila, you have a nice sugar and olive oil sugar scrub. So since we're not in the shower, I'm just gonna go ahead and dampen my hands, and I'm gonna rub some water onto my belly. Now you can start off on a dry belly, but I prefer not to because it's uncomfortable. So we're gonna go ahead and take a nice generous amount and just rub that sugar scrub in circular motions. Go ahead and rub it in circular motions. So when I'm rubbing in the sugar scrub in circular motions, I'm making sure to rub in the spots, like rub my sides. Those are prime areas for women to get stretch marks. So you really want to get those sides, and you also want to get like the front of your belly, where your belly is doing the most stretching. So you really want to get the front and the sides, circular motions, and really exfoliate and get those dead skin cells off. So now we're just gonna go ahead and rub off all of that sugar scrub with a damp rag, making sure to get all of the sugar off your belly, because once you moisturize, you don't want any of that sugar still stuck on there. So make sure you rub all of that off, and we're good to go. So the products that I like to use are the Palmer's cocoa butter formula for pregnancy. They have the oil, they have the lotion, they have the massage cream, and they also have the tummy butter. That's 4 products, but it's worth it. So we're gonna start off with our massage lotion. So we're gonna go ahead and use like a $50 size amount. That should be plenty for that baby bump. A little goes a long way, so you don't want to use too much, so that should be the perfect amount, but use as much as you please. With this, you want to rub it all over, slather it all over, make sure that it is well lathered in. You want to make sure that you're going to get your back, because those are prime areas for stretch marks. So get your back really good, get those sides really good, get the front. I love to focus on the front where my belly button is, because that's where my stomach stretches the most. So I love to focus there. And when you're rubbing in product, you want to make sure that you're rubbing it all the way in until the product is no longer visible. You don't want to start on the next product and you still have the last product still there. And babe is just rubbing my little belly. He's crazy. So, continuing on, the product is all rubbed in. On to the next, we're going to use our massage cream, and this is a little thicker than the massage lotion. So same amount, a little goes a long way. Rub it in and slather that bad boy on. And of course, this may take a little time to get all of that lotion worked into your skin, but this is supposed to be a relaxing experience, so just take your time. Sometimes this process takes me like 45 minutes after I get out of the shower, just because I like to pamper myself, and it's just me and baby's little special time. I can talk to him, I can sing to him, and yeah, it's just a really special time. If you have too much, I love to rub it into my arms on the sides, or wherever else I can rub it into my hands, you know. So there you have it. And we're on to the next. So this is our tummy butter, and this is the consistency of like a cocoa butter. So we're gonna take a thumbnail size amount. You don't need too much of this. And I just rub it into my palm because it's a little thick. And we're just gonna rub in those high point places where you can feel the most stretching. And for me, that's right in the center where that dark line is, and around the sides, right in the center, around my belly button, and on the sides of my stomach, or where I feel the most stretching. So that's where I like to focus. And just rub that in nicely. I love to rub back and forth because that stretches my skin before it actually stretches from the baby. It's just preventative measures, I would say. Rub it into your hands, and we're on to our moisturizing body oil. Now this one, I just like to drizzle it over my belly. That feels really good for some reason. I don't know, I'm weird. So we're just drizzling that on the belly and rubbing it in really nicely. Make sure you get those sides. So the oil is just going to seal in all of those moisturizing products that you just put on your belly. It's going to seal and lock all of that stuff in. And that's really what you want. You don't want it to go anywhere while you're asleep at night. So that's what you got. And I really love these products. This video is not sponsored, but we're gonna do a little belly roll for y'all because this product is bomb. And there we go. All right, Royal, so that is my stretch mark prevention routine that I've been doing my whole pregnancy. I really hope that this helped you guys out and that you discovered some tips and tricks that you didn't know before. If you try this, let me know down in the comments, or if you've used Palmer's before This is such an amazing product. Let me know down in the comments how it worked for you, because it is just working amazing for me. So I hope this video really helped you out. If it did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below and let me know if you're a new subby. I love talking to you guys. If you like videos like these, I have plenty more on my channel, so make sure that you check them out. I'll link a few down below and here. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.